If you are looking for the best cough drop, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Ricola Lemon Mint Herbal Cough Drops. Ricola cough drops combine a lemon flavor with 10 herbs for soothing relief for sore throats. The active ingredient here is menthol, extracted from mint and peppermint. Other herbs, like thyme, mallow, hyssop, elder, and sage are included too. All the herbs are cultivated in the Swiss Alps, in the area between Oberallgäu and Emmental. They're sustainably farmed, without the use of pesticides or insecticides. The lemon mint drops are recommended particularly for sore throats. They're also good if you've lost your voice. Number 2. SoundHealth Cough Drops. SoundHealth's cough drops have the traditional flavor of honey and lemon. These drops will relieve both your cough and sore throat. The active ingredient here is methyl, and there's 7.5 milligrams of it in each cough drop. These also contain sugar, so they won't be suitable for diabetics. There are 10 calories in each lozenge. And the ingredients are gluten-free and kosher. You'll get a huge 160 cough drops in each bag, enough to outlast the most stubborn cold. And remember, while they don't have all the extra herbs, they do have exactly the same active ingredient, menthol. Number 3. Luden's Wild Cherry Flavor Drops. Luden's throat drops are a good choice for mild sore throats and mouth pain. The active ingredient here is pectin, and there's 2.8 milligrams in each lozenge. It soothes sore mouths by forming a protective film over the mucous membranes. Luden's make their throat drops in a wide range of flavors. These include traditional options like honey lemon. Our favorite is the wild cherry, and it's a good option for those who don't like menthol flavors. Beware, though, because these do contain sugar, so they're not a good choice for diabetics. Number 4. Cepacol Extra Strength Cough Drop. Cepacol's extra strength lozenges are a great choice for more serious sore throats. If talking or swallowing is painful, they're a great choice. The medicated formula will numb the pain, and give you a break from the hot, scratchy sensation. But they're not designed to suppress coughs. The active ingredients that achieve this are benzocaine and menthol. Each lozenge contains 15 milligrams of benzocaine. This works by blocking nerve signals, effectively switching off the pain. There's also 3.6 milligrams of menthol per lozenge. This produces a cooling feeling and stimulates the production of saliva, lubricating dry throats. Number 5. Herbion Naturals Cough Drops. Herbion's cough drops use natural ingredients in a formulation that effectively tackles coughs and sore throats. They also ease congestion, helping you breathe more easily. The active ingredient here is menthol, and there's 5.5 milligrams in each lozenge. That's lower than most other cough drops, and you'll pay a lot for these too. There are, however, a range of other plant-based ingredients with therapeutic uses. They have a natural orange flavor and are sweetened with plant-based sweetener stevia. These include some you'll find in other cough drops, like eucalyptus oil, hyssop, and licorice root.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.